What is up, you lovely lot? Thank you so much for clicking on this video because two dudes, that's right, Ben from Adventures with Zach and Del, me from Get Binky, we're going to be showing you how we are raising money for Autism Awareness. That's right, in partnership with the National Autistic Society and of course Fun Spot, you're going to see how we're going to be raising money. And we know you guys like to see me scream, especially from last year's Starflyer video. So those that donate, links will be in the description, you will get to see this video early. So please be sure to donate whatever you can. It all will go straight to the National Autistic Society. It's for the cause, guys. Come on, I ain't screaming for nothing. Get raising some money, enjoy the video. This is a trailer, two dudes raising money for Autism Awareness.
The Force is what gives the Jedi his power. It's an energy field created by all living things. It surrounds us and penetrates us, binds the galaxy together.
Alright, I'll give it a try.
No! Try not! Do! Or do not. There is no try.
These aren't the droids we're looking for.
Look at me. Judge me by my size, do you?
Goodbye, old friend. May the Force be with you.
I'm not seeing how high it is. I can't do it. I'm shaking. Exactly. Big! There's like nothing to hold on to, man!